Hey guys, my name is Rachelle. I'm one of the interns here at Fit Steps for Life. Today we're going to be doing a lower back and core exercise for you. Don't need any equipment, just a chair, preferably with some arm rest if you have it. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. First we're going to do hip hinges. So we're going to do 10 of these on each side. So it's going to be a front, and then a side, and then the other side. So if you want, you can sit forward a little bit in your chair. You can put your hands behind your head. If you're not comfortable with that and you're feeling like you might lose your balance, you can lightly put your hands here so that way you have a little bit of a push to help you back up. But make sure to rely predominantly on your core muscles, okay? So let's go ahead and get started on that one. All right, it's going to go 1, and to the left, and to the right, 2, 3. Apparently I chose a squeaky chair today. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. And 10. I'm going to finish it out with both sides. Alright, next we're just going to be doing some leg raises. So if you'll just sit closer to the edge of your seat, the closer you are to the edge, the harder it's going to be. So if you need a little help, you can scoot back a little bit, and then you can place your arms here on the armrest. I want you to put your feet in front of you, and you're going to lift them together at the same time. Let me scoot back some so you can see it a little better. You're just going to lift them like so. Alright, we're just going to be doing 10 of these. Alright, ready? Make sure to sit up straight. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, and 10. Awesome. Alright. All we're going to do next is an upper body twist, so this one's pretty straightforward. Let me go ahead and scoot up some. Alright, so you're just going to have your arms like this, kind of at a 90-degree angle, you can see, and you're literally just going to twist. So we're going to go to each side 15 times. Alright, we're going to start on that side. Ready, go. 1, 2, 'almost there. And done. Okay, so that one you're really just focusing on turning here as much as you can to get as much mobility. Now we're just going to do some seated marching. So we're going to do 15 on each leg. Right? And ready, go. 1, 'Nice, slow and controlled. Make sure to sit up nice and tall. I believe that's 15. Alright, now we're going to finish it off just cooling down, doing some stretches. So first we're going to do a cat-cow stretch, just 30, 60 seconds, whatever you feel comfortable with. If you're not familiar with that exercise, we're doing it seated. So basically cat is where you look like you're hunching over almost, and drawing your spine typically upwards if you were on the ground, but in this case it would be behind you. And then cow is stretching this direction. Alright, so we're just going to go ahead and do some of those. Go at your own pace. And then you just move through. Alright, so you get the idea of that one. If you want to go longer, feel free to go longer. You can just pause this and pick up where you left off. The next one is going to be called a pigeon twist stretch. So basically, you're going to take your leg and place it where your ankle is on your thigh, like so. And we're going to just pull up lightly on this leg and turn. Really think about drawing your back upwards, straight to the ceiling. If that makes any sense, probably not. Just nice and tall, controlled breathing. Alright, and we're going to do the other leg. Same thing. Ankle resting on your thigh, and then just lift. Alright, next, really simple, we're just going to do a side bend stretch. So, just going to interlace my fingers and kind of stretch this way. And stretch the other way. Alright, that's all we have for you. Remember, those stretches, at least try to do them for 30 to 60 seconds for optimal results. And we will see you next week.